Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review on something really cool. As you've seen in the thumbnail picture, doing a review on the DDK lashes. These are mascara lashes, eyelash extensions. They are pretty cool. The company I got these from, they did have like the Chinese writing and that on here. There's a lot of fakes out there though that are gonna have this Chinese writing on it. I got these direct from the company and I will have them linked below. They do have the American packaging now. They were just finishing up getting rid of these boxes. That was their original packaging. So yeah, you gotta be very careful when buying these if you're interested. So if you guys want to see how freaking awesome this stuff is, stick around. Okay guys, welcome back. So, I'm just going to take these out of here. And again, these are DDK lash extensions. They are pretty freaking cool. And you have to be, it takes a lot of practice to get these good. You're not just going to throw these on and they're going to look absolutely amazing. No, it takes some time. You do have to put lots of coats on. It can take some time until you get used to it, but you're going to need some tweezers, and it's going to take some time. Okay, I already have mascara on, which is absolutely fine. The small thing is the fibers, because these are fiber lashes, and then the big thing is the mascara slash, like, glue, lock in place stuff, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, let me get you guys over as close as I can. And this mirror is absolutely close as I can. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to open these guys up. And this is what it looks like on the outside. It says DDK. And it says Lash extensions. And this says the same thing, basically. Anyway, so you want to take this out. I'm going to do one eye so you can see. And I'm going to do this one. You just want to put it on like normal mascara, like roll it. Make sure it gets all over your eyelashes. And I'm going to have a mess everywhere. Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to have a mess everywhere. Anyway, you just want to get this like coated all over your eyelashes. Now, I did this live and didn't say what it was, but someone made a comment. They look really clumpy. They're fiber lashes. Hello? Okay, like immediately after you coat your lashes, you're gonna wanna dip in here and start brushing away. And this is what it looks like. These little fibers all over. If you've ever used the Unique, these look kind of similar, but different feel. Okay. Now, you're gonna have to go back over this, but it's better to leave them sit there for a minute. And while I let them sit there for a minute, I'm gonna do my bottom. You want to try to get the whole eyelash, top and bottom. I'm gonna be messy, I'm sure. I only have one contact in right now. I don't have a contact in the eye. I'm actually putting this on, so It just looks like that right now. Just give it a minute. I'm gonna go under here. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back over with the mascara part. Gonna go back over the tops. Again, just coat them. I'm super messy, so you're gonna see all these little dots on my eyelid because I'm super messy. Even when I put my own mascara on, that's just the way it is. Okay. Then I'm gonna go down to the bottoms. Okay. Now again, I'm just going to go back up over here. Throw a little coat on these because I should have done that right away. Okay. Now, I go back in. Fibers. Let's see what we can do, guys. See if we can get these to really look like eyelash extensions. Nope, go over the bottoms. Sorry guys, I just poked myself in the eye with my dang fingernail. And of course. Okay guys, sorry. Needed a tissue and clean up a whole dang mess. Okay, so just gonna go over these again. Take the fibers. See all them marks I got up there? Now I'm just trying to comb them straight down. And then comb them upward. So guys, this is what? 4 or 5 coats? About 5 coats. I'm just going to take this Q-tip and kind of wipe off the mascara I got. So you can tell the difference between the lashes and my... There. Now let's do the bottom lashes again. Let's see what we can get out of these guys. Pretty much got this stuff on my eye. Yeah, of course. And my waterline, of course. Okay. Bottom lashes are a little more difficult because they're so small. Okay, let's trap them in there. Trap them in. get off the excess. Well, let's just say they're growing. So, I think that's pretty much all I'm going to do. If you keep going, you can sit, I mean, if you wanted to work on your, that's about probably the longest that someone's going to want to work on their eyelashes, you know. So, that was, what, 10 minutes right there. So that is the most that anyone's going to want to work on there. So let me get the, try and wipe that mascara off that I had. That's about the longest that anybody's really honestly going to want to work on their mascara. So, or, yeah. So this is how it turned out. And that's not even, my eyelashes aren't even like curled up. I mean, that's, I should have curled my lashes first. Definitely. But I think it looks cute. Honestly, I love this look. Some people don't like the blotchy, not blotchy, clumpy look. And if you don't, then don't buy the mascara because it's gonna look like fiber lashes. So I'm gonna do my other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I did my other eye. Again, just gonna go over the bottom over here one last time. And again, like I said, if you don't like spending lots of time, yeah, I'd say about 20 minutes. 20 minutes or so, layering up if you want them to, oops, about 20 minutes or so if you want them, you know, layered up. This isn't for you if you don't, you know, don't want to take the time to do it, you know. If you don't like the clumpiness looking, you know, obviously, again, this isn't for you. And I'm just trying to get the mascara that I so nicely put in there. Not put in there, but put under my, that I got under my eye. Yeah, but you see, like, it lengthens, it, like, you know, makes it fuller, it, you know, pretty cool. Like, this is really cool, actually. I mean, you could really spend the time to do it, and it'll turn out awesome if you take the time to do it. But again, this is DDK eyelash extensions, mascara lashes. Here is what they end up looking like. It looks like you have false lashes on, without the feeling. I like it. Like, I like it. I mean, it's a bit too much on the bottom, you know, but I like it. And you could keep making them longer and longer, you know. If you don't want them this long or this full, just don't layer it on. I believe these $20 is how much this would be now. But I will have the website linked down below, so you can go check it out. But I believe they're $19.99. They're on sale right now. Last time I looked, but yeah, DDK There's a lot of fakes out there. If you get, I talked to one of the company representatives, if you get these on Amazon, it's fake. Like, they're fake. They said that they do not have any authorized sellers whatsoever to be selling this on Amazon. eBay, fake. You need to order from, straight from the company, DDK. And, yeah, I'm telling you, worth it. Way better than Unique. This stuff is 1,000 times better than Unique. The picture that's on my thumbnail, you can do that. You just need tweezers, and what it says is you take 3 eyelashes, you pinch them together, then you twist them. I got black stuff on my fingers. Then you twist them, and you just keep with the mascara, keep with that. I mean, it takes a lot of time. And who will want their eyelashes like that anyway? That was basically like clickbait. My first clickbait on the outside. But yeah. So you guys want to check this out? Go right ahead. You want to, the look of false lashes, but you don't like to wear them, or you don't like the glue. You're scared of it. That's what made me want to get this. And actually, I ordered this about 2 months ago, and it was on back order. I had to wait to get this. So don't be surprised if you don't have to wait a while to get these. They're made in the USA, supposedly. That's what they told me anyway. But they're going to have the American packaging, but apparently they were not made in the USA at one point. At least that's my understanding. I don't want to say 100% that they're made in the USA. But they're going to have American packaging, is I guess what I want to say. But yeah, get them right from the DDK company. And you guys, that's all I really have for today. And I'm liking this. I think it looks really cool. I love it. But okay, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Hit that little red button down below, and also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified of any of my future uploads. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.